Ultimate Guide: Survive every door's monster. Discover how to outsmart every beast and escape each level unscathed.
Did you know every monster in Roblox doors has a hidden weakness? That's right. Like the Screech monster, it hates the light. Shine your flashlight and watch it retreat. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowing a monster's weakness turns the tables in your favor. Timing is everything, gamers. Rush is fast but predictable. Listen closely for that telltale whoosh. Duck into a closet just before it arrives, and you'll be safe as houses. Perfect your escape timing, and you'll dance around danger like a pro.
PSST, want to know a secret? Hidden safe zones exist in each level. Look for nooks and crannies where monsters can't reach. These are your lifelines when things get hairy. Finding these spots lets you catch your breath and plan your next move.
Arm yourself, players. Flashlights, vitamins, and lockpicks are your best friends. Keep your inventory stocked with these essentials, and you'll be ready for any spooky situation. Remember, a well-prepared gamer is a victorious gamer.
Surprise! Monsters sometimes behave unpredictably. The figure might pause mid-chase if you stop moving. Take a breather, but stay sharp, it's a trickster. Keep your eyes peeled and learn every odd behavior to stay one step ahead. Watch your step. Common traps like fake doors and tricky hallways are everywhere. Always check for signs of danger, like flickering lights or unusual sounds. Outsmart these cunning traps, and you'll cruise through doors like a seasoned pro.
Ready to conquer Roblox doors? Try these tips in your next game and let us know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more secrets and strategies, new videos every day.